Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel EntertainMe Chic. It's your girl Chini. In case this is your first time, please do well to subscribe, click the notification bell and comment down below. On this video, I'll be sharing with you my experience in Amada camp in Gombe State. At the entrance of the camp, every PCMS prospective corps member is expected to have him or herself checked up. Check your bag and documents before you can go into the camp. Every morning as early as 4:30 a.m., every person is expected to be on the parade ground for morning devotion. There is the opportunity for Muslim brothers and sisters to go to their mosque to have their own devotion, and there is also an opportunity for the Catholic corps members to also have their own devotion in a separate way. After the prayers, everyone is expected to fall into their platoons for announcements and parade. After the swearing in ceremony, that is when every PCMS is regarded as a bona fide corps member. So at this point, we are no longer referred to as PCMS, but compassion. For the camp food, there are days that you don't even see people on the line to get food. They would rather go to the mama to get whatever they want. But on days like Sunday afternoon, that is when you see the line so long, because on this day we get jollof rice and chicken. There is always morning lectures, sometimes even before side lecture begins, except for Sundays. So on this day we had lectures on safety rules against fire outbreak. We were lectured on how to use the fire extinguisher and how to use a soaked towel in case there is no fire extinguisher to prevent a fire outbreak. Fruit Salad is a title of a song we sing for lecturers or facilitators who come around to teach us.
All for you. We thank you so much. And bye for now. No, that's a good show. Bye for now. Thank you.
On this social night, we had those who contested for Mr. Macho and Miss NYSC. Every contestant gave their best because nobody want to lose. Imagine if you know how sharp this sand is, this guy. Guys, please bear with me. I had to remove some of the background music so YouTube doesn't flag my video. It coincidentally happened that my birthday met me in camp. This is the typical example of NYSC will humble you no matter who you think you are. If you cannot parade, then you have to sit on the ground. This parade is actually a competition. Every platoon have to put in their best because nobody wants to lose. If you lose, you are going to carry the spoon. The wooden spoon. At the end of the competition, jubilation was all over the place as Platoon 6 emerged as the winner, while Platoon 10 carried the wooden spoon. Platoon 6! This was on the day of exhibition of all that we have learned during our skill acquisition and entrepreneurship development side. During the course of this program, many people decided to learn different skills. Some learned photography, some into sewing, fashion designing, brand making, environmental building material, and we have so many of them. Shoemaking. I was into filming and photography. There was interior decorations. In fact, a lot of skills to acquire, makeup and guillotine, and so on and so forth. So you just have to make up your mind and fall into any of these groups that you feel you can cope with, you feel you want to learn. Cap making, a lot of them that were available that day. In Nigeria, there are lots of ethnic groups with different tribes in it. So on this day, each platoon were given different tribes to represent.
Okay, platoon 2. Platoon 2. The Tula people can be found in Kaltungo local government area, here in Gombe State. These young men and women dancing to this song are originally not from the Igbo extraction. The Igbo people can be found in the southeastern part of Nigeria, in states like Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, and Ebonyi states.
This is Nana Haishatu Hostel. It is one of the most beautiful hostels in Amada camp. It's a female hostel. Every day at 6 p.m., everyone is expected to stand still for Nigeria to sleep. And the same thing happens at every 6 a.m., everyone is expected to stand still for Nigeria to wake up. Mami Market is one of our favorite places to be in camp because this is where we get to buy whatever we want to buy, eat whatever we want to eat, drink whatever we want to drink.
and passing out ceremony of the 2023 by choosing two orientating course from the Executive Governor of Gombe State, His Excellency the Honorary Government for a special guest of honor. They will mount the podium and will begin this program. Our special guests will return to the saluting dice, mount and receive salute as the parade march on slow and quick time. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
On the day of our personal parade, it was same day that everyone left the camp. So after the parade, everybody was getting ready, getting your things ready to go out. People who tried to redeploy, at this point they were checking their phones to know if they were congratulated or not. Most people did not want to stay back in Gombe State. I tell you, almost everybody wants to redeploy. The government made it a point of duty to make sure that there were vehicles available to convey people to their different destinations on this day of our passing out. So as you can see, most people were already dragging their luggages to get a vehicle that will convey them to their places of primary assignment, and those that are travel to as far as they are going. The journey of 21 days finally came to a close as everyone was already departing the camp. At this point, everybody was so happy to leave the camp because the stress is just too much. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please do well to watch the previous video, my travel experience to Gombe State. Please do well to watch it. This is the continuation of that video. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.